Police are beefing up their specialist squad to cope with the surge in clan labs being found across WA. They're also looking at imposing restrictions on the sale of some common household products used in the manufacture of amphetamines. It comes after the discovery of another suburban drug lab last night.
From the outside, it looks like any suburban housing complex in Perth. But the chemicals being used by the drug lab inside this Carlisle unit were toxic enough to send 2 police officers to hospital. Neighbours say they'd complained about the strong fumes before.
We have smelt it before and we just pray and hope that it's not going to explode.
It's the 91st drug lab uncovered by police this year. That's a 60% increase over last year. It's also the 8th found in a Holmes West house. To cope with the increased workload, police are adding 6 more officers to the squad, which specialises in dismantling the labs.
If we get an increase in resources, that no doubt that'll allow us to even better target the areas that we need to go to. So that may well lead to an increase in the number of labs that we're able to detect.
Police are also considering restrictions on the sale of common household products such as cleaners and fertilisers, which can be used to make amphetamines.
We don't want to impede law-abiding citizens in what they can buy and sell. However, if there are certain chemicals that are essential in drug making, maybe there's a case for restricting their sale.
But the opposition says the government's not doing enough.
Neighbours have been complaining about these premises for a long period of time and nothing has been done. Mr Buswell needs to answer the question, why were complaints made and his department didn't do anything about it?
Well, the police are the responsible agency in terms of enforcing the law around drug labs. The department have had it drawn to their attention. They'll take action.
There have been 15 evictions and 114 warnings issued since last month. Grant Wynn, ABC News.